In the business consultant mode, one of the things that is different is that you are going to get business specific output. So let's actually start by saying we want to do a review of the business plan. But more importantly, let's actually put in some financial information. And we can display key performance indicators. Now, the key performance indicators are actually available in the sports mode as well, because your KPIs might be things like resting heart rate or speed improvement and so forth. And from a business standpoint, you can define what these KPIs actually are. And we are going to just give it some values. It uh, will, these are all optional. You don't have to provide any values, but let's just say that our current revenue is 1,591,224, 1.5 million. Our Let's see, our gross profit on this is going to be 372,440. And like I said, if you have any of this other information, you can put that in there as well. Let's go ahead and get feedback on this particular Excel file that we have uploaded. And uh, we will see some of the things that happen as a result of having set our system mode to business consultant. When the feedback is complete, we can see that below the normal feedback, we have two new pieces of information. One is an ROI analysis, which we get based upon the financial data that we uploaded. The second is to generate a client report. And this will actually generate a report that you can then print out and hand to your executive team, for example. And it goes through all of the things that we talked about. If you hit copy report, then it's copied to the clipboard and you can paste that into Word or whatever else you want. The feedback is actually based upon the frameworks that the coach or coaches set up. And you can see that there is information about exactly what to do in what order based upon the information that was given as well. So this is a way that your business consulting mode differs from the other modes that are available in Replicator Coach.